Yes, good day, good day. So in this video we are doing the first evening in Agra. The first evening in India actually. So join me for an adventure in Agra. See what they have to offer in the evening. So first I think no thank you. Yeah, so we're just going to see if we can find the sunscreen actually. Yes. Oh, that's härligt. Huh? Yeah. I have no idea if this will turn out. Hello.
That's Canon.
Yes.
Company. Canon.
Andreas the Great. Andreas the Great. Andreas the Great. Andreas the Great.
You speak English.
Yeah, English, yeah.
English speak.
Yeah, English.
I love you.
Oh, thank you.
What? You know?
No.
Listen. You are my friend.
Ah, you are my friend. No, it's okay, thank you. A sun hat, sunglasses. Oh yeah. And yeah, tomorrow we are going to Taj Mahal. But yeah, I will be in the next video. I don't know really what. I don't know really what this video will be about. I was saying the evening video, but it feels like it will be something else. Hope they have sunscreen because I did not buy sunscreen in Sweden. Yeah. I think I will look where the entrance is. I think the entrance of Taj Mahal is up here. Yeah, up here somewhere. Yeah. Huh. Yeah. 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 So here we have the items that are allowed and what is not allowed actually. So no hand grenade tomorrow. I think I will pass. So I can bring a camera, water, mobile phone. What they call what they do like baby like baby milk, breast milk maybe. Yeah. So so tomorrow morning I will do this. So one water, one camera, one mobile phone, and maybe this small bag here I can bring. But no no selfie stick. I'm not allowed to bring. So tomorrow, next video will be a GoPro video, I think. And here we have souvenir shops. Yeah. So this is the entrance to Taj Mahal. So, but why am I going in the morning, not now? They say that the best view is in the morning, the sunrise. So that's why I'm actually going in the morning. Otherwise, I could have gone now and saved one day. But it's also I'm quite tired, so it's good to like get a feeling of India. Take it slowly. Yeah. But I think I need to find a pharmacy and see if they have a sunscreen or something. They have a lot of cafes here as well. Indian coffee. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. But I think I will go back and see what some other places around my hotel. Hostel is a hostel. I think they have private room as well, but the private room was like, it was not like so expensive. Actually, it was like only, I think it was $70 US, but I was like, shall I? No, I think it was more. I think it was like $30 US, and the dorm is $6 US. So yeah, so I did go with a dorm, but no, it's tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. Thank you. Yeah. So, where was I? I don't know. I don't remember. Oh yeah, the dorm. So I did do the dorm life here, but in Varanasi I have a private room with a toilet. That is amazing. If I can reach Varanasi, that's because I will take a train from Agra to Varanasi. That's the plan. But if you saw my last video, nothing really did go as planned. So hopefully next video or next train ride I can do, and I don't hope so. Otherwise, I don't know. Maybe take a bus, night bus. Sweden. Are you from Agra? No, see. Yeah. Yeah, but let's go and see if we can find like a pharmacy and see if we can buy some sunscreen. I think I really need sunscreen here for my white skin. And some water. Buy water. Whoa. Yeah, I found my sunscreen actually for $3.5 US. Think I need it, or what do you think? Yeah. So yeah, now I have sunscreen. Maybe buy some water, and here you can also do your laundry. But I don't need the laundry yet. So yeah, quite easy. Like here was a pharmacy. Yeah, here was a pharmacy. Yeah, nice. I can buy some street food. Yeah. It was a little bit of an adventure to find the pharmacy, but I did not use Google Map. I just walked around and this alley looked nice. So yeah. But water you can find everywhere. What more do I need? I don't think I need much more. It's very honking. Yeah, so the hostel offers a free walking tour. So yeah, I am on a free walking tour from the hostel. So we will see the sunset of Taj Mahal somehow. But yeah, free stuff is nice. You know me, that I have been doing free walking tour almost all around the world. Yeah.
You like some lecture?
No.
Something, drink something good here.
Oh.
Like her. I know.
I am the only guest here. Maybe that is not a good sign, but the reviews here was very good. So if you can see the cow, yeah, it's lying there. Huh. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm the lone wolf. You can say. First day in India so far has been, it's been okay. I'm a little bit did with the taxi and the train and everything like that. But I was so tired, so I was almost giving up. Okay, I just pay the money and take a car here. But the car ride was like 5 hours. 4 hours maybe. 3 or 4 hours. It's quite far. And the train was like 3 hours. And you can take a fast train, I think. That is take 1 hour and 40 minutes. But I did not. Yeah, I did not do that. I took a private. Yeah. Ooh, it's a little bit warmer here than in Sweden, but yeah. So now eat and hope I will not get sick from the food. Yeah, I think I have sunscreen on now as well. Yeah, and maybe take a shower before I go to sleep. Maybe I will add it. No, I will not edit my videos today. Maybe tomorrow. Because I do a Taj Mahal very early, and I have all day long to do nothing. They also have like the Red Fortress here as well, or the Red Palace. Yeah, maybe do that as well. And then, but first food, and yeah. We have some reviews here from the place. Food was amazing. We had chicken curry, chicken korma, and naan. Some of the best Indian food in the area. The service was awesome. Rooftop was nice. But just now, the monkey took my Coca-Cola, so yeah. The food was delicious in a reasonable price. Good place to eat with family or solo. Yeah. Great restaurant, tasty food, and really friendly stuff. I recommend this restaurant. And this is not only locals, like it's, you see the name is, here we have on Sean from Spain or something. Oh, excellent service from the owner. Great price and the food was fantastic. 100% recommendation. So, hope I will have the same experience as those. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Monkey will take?
Yeah, monkey. Oh yeah. Yeah, the monkey took by Coca-Cola.
Coming, you will take them, yeah?
Okay. Thank you. Let's see how it tastes. I think this is medium hot. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, a little bit hotter than the other one was more tourist, I think. This is also a tourist restaurant, so but a little bit hotter. Hope the monkey doesn't really come now. But still quite tasty. Not crazy hot. This was just medium. I can imagine if you eat hot. I don't think you can eat it. But I will see if I can finish up here. And maybe go to bed. Yep. I'm ready to go and pay. I think this costs like $5 or $4 for 100 and some butter chicken. And yeah, it was quite tasty actually. But the monkey took my Coke. That was a little bit disappointed. But yeah, let's go and pay and then we'll go home and go to sleep, I think. I will thank you for the first day. Yeah, so the food cost me $3.5. That was a good meal. It's very oily. Yeah, very oily. But it's common here in India, I feel like. But yeah, thank you for seeing this small video. Hello, good.
Good.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Sweden. Sweden.
Florida.
Yeah. You're from
I go in
Oh, nice.
You go?
Yeah.
How many followers?
Over 1,000 followers.
What?
1,000.
1,000.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
If you like to eat something, you have
No, you stay in your neighbor. You stay here. Yeah. Thank you. Maybe tomorrow.
maybe tomorrow.
Yeah. Yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, see you tomorrow. Or in the next video. Maybe that is not tomorrow, but for me it's tomorrow at least. So, bye. See you.